Going on, everybody? Pro Trader Mike. I'm founder of the MOJO Day Trading. Hope you had a wonderful day today and great night last night. We sure did in the MOJO Day Trading room. I'd love to fill you in on what happened and how we made it all work, so that would be great. And I'll shoot on over right to the team. Mr. Marr did great today. Let's head on over there and say hello to the team. You're in a 10. Great Hines on AAL. Nice job, dude. Let me show you the trade we just did, because you don't got to go far from the well, guys. That's the topic of today's show. And that means you got to stay on the reservation. You don't always have to be trading. Look, this weird guy's on again. Look, this weird freaking dude. Look. Hi, dude. I'm on every single day, on every video. I got someone to invest money and believe in me that I could trade. So they're making all these videos and I'm putting them out there. And I have all these fake scenes behind me on how to trade, and I flood the internet now with ads, and I'm doing ripping. He's ripping, dude. Right there. So I got the Moj happening. Don't want to stray far from the well today, boys. So let me show you what we traded today and how we did. Started off up big, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Here we go. So we started out this morning. You saw me trade this morning, hopefully, on my Mojo show this morning. So we came in at 9:30, went fast, already made $3,464 for Renteria. We traded 3 stocks today: Snap, SNAP, BNTX, MRNA, to name a few. Jamie made 280, INO, right there on a Heinz 11. It's at 1150 right now, high 1183. BNTX sold 50.50 right there. Snap on the attack. So that's what we were trading, guys. Snap, INO, dipping. He was up $300 already. Pro Trader Gerardo. Newbie stock. Yeah, sign up for the Mojo classes and join the team would be great. So this is what it means, guys. Alan tells you every day. Stay on the reservation, man. We don't want to be hearing about no Sonam, about no Peck. I'm trading these other stocks. So these guys are saying those stocks are like Varingo and dry ships. They freaking go up and they crash like that. So this stock at 761, they were liking it up there in the freaking 8s and the 9s. I didn't want it, dude. Look at that thing drop. Look at that thing drop, man. He made 300 for the day. Emmanuel, nice job, buddy. Already in a half hour. Gerardo made $1,000 by then. There you go. Nice job, Gerardo. And there's the drop on BNTX. Finally got a big move back up on my BNTX. Bottom fishing down there. Had 500 shares. Making my move back up. I finished $750 on the day because of that. Batman got sucked out and moved back up and spit on him. I had 300 shares left at 372. This was after the Mojo show today. Then this is Sonam right here. Glad we didn't get into Sonam at $1.85. It's $1.10 and it's going lower. Sonam right now is 90 cents. Glad I didn't do Sonam. Peck dropped all the way from $7.25, another $1. So I'm like, okay, now's the time we can come in on the Peck. And we started getting it down here, Peck, at 573 to 580. See how much it dropped? From 725 to 5. So now I'll take it. Right here, I pecked it at 565, 570, 575, and 80. Those are called Skittles. And there's a signal right here of 12,800 at 584. Was the signal on that? That stock ran tremendously through that, guys. Tremendously. From 584. Snap went from 1580 to 1680. I was able to close out $738 and close P&L Total P&L, $724 done for the day. I had gone up 5, down 3, up another one, down to almost even, and then I scored it on that last one and I was done. You don't have to go far from the well, meaning we trading the same stocks. I just mentioned this thing on Twitter, guys, right here. Let me just show you on my Twitter. I just mentioned this, and I'll tell you why. Right here. Find out on today's show why day trading is like sex. You know why day trading is like sex, guys? You know why? Do you know why? We'll tell you why. So right here, I was up a little bit. I was right there. Look, up 4. Beautiful. Then I was up 2. Then I was up 3. Then I was up 1. Almost went negative. Then I banged it out. This should tell you right there why trading is like sex. Pro Trader Mike says it's time for a break. Whew, time for a break, baby. Then we nailed the PEC again. See it? $6. Watch how much this stock goes up. $6. Gerardo's got 5,000 shares. He's up $1,700, calling it a day. It goes $629. Yeah, baby. $2,000 for the day. Hadn't had one of those days in a long time, Gerardo. Good job. $630. Here it goes. $640. Here it goes. $650. $660. I'm on fire. Gerardo's banging out the money. There it goes. Closing $742. Great job. $675, started with $3,000 and made $700 goal. $700 on my $500 goal right there, guys. Snapping right there. PEC at $685. Alan made $1 on the snap call this morning. You're not going to hit the ultimate top or the bottom, guys, but if you could make it in between, it's beautiful. I used $30,000 of buying power to make $700. I'll do that all day long. Everybody could do that. You got $3,000, come on. I'll get you $30,000 in buying power in the same kind of account I'm trading. You make the same money as me and the rest of the team. Great stuff, patience and resilience, sticking to the game plan and staying on the reserve. Got me paid with Mike's green light for PEC, SAEX, boxing it out with BNTX like a champ. Nicely done. So they showed me the money at 10:46. Rhett made 613. There you go, 215. 2145, $5,049. Marsh lost big, but he's trying to come back. Bama 2754. Mar 1204. You want to know why trading's like sex? Because you only need to hit it once or twice to be satisfied. That's it. You stay there all day and look at the bang that thing all day long, dudes, it ain't happening. That's why trading is like sex. You one good bang, you're good. Maybe you get in another quickie and you're good for the day. Thank you, 1204. 2770, 324. Bitcoin's rocking, and that's what we do. I love the TradeX platform too, and I'm glad we didn't do SONM up here. It was alerted to me up here, and I folded. Look what it did. The old me would be in it still up here. I would have lost my entire account on that stock. Kept on buying more and buying more, thinking it would pop up. It never did. Praying right here, and then it got destroyed and destroyed. Okay? That's the old me. I've been in that situation for years. I could save all new traders that lost on SONM and PEC today a lot of headache and trouble. A lot of headache and trouble. There it goes, 705, 725, 730. Look at the move on the PEC. On the PEC. MOJO Day Trading schedule from 8 o'clock a.m. The MOJO Day Trading Discord room is unlocked. At 8:30 a.m., Pro Trader Mike starts the MOJO Day Trading show and live screen share with open mic in the chat room. At 9 o'clock, my pre-market analysis happens with my watch lists. At 9:30, I trade the open, all Hines trade focus with Pro Trader Mike. At 10 to 12, we're morning trading session, continues until goals are met. From 12 to 1, we take a lunch break with no open mic and the chat remains unlocked. From 1 to 4, afternoon trading session, the MOJO Show daily recap, MOJO Trader reviews. After the close, chat is locked. There's the schedule, boys. So he nailed 50 algo on BNTX. Great job nailing 50 algo on BNTX. I went out for lunch today, guys, to visit my best friend who I haven't seen in over a month. I'm so excited. I was so excited last night to go see my friend, get some fresh air. You know who it was? My mom. I got to see my mom's today, dude. I called up the nursing home. I'm like, dude, I need to come by. She can go on the balcony. We could say hi. They're like, okay. And I was standing outside. I got it on video and stuff. I sent it to all my family. It was real nice. It was my mom's video and stuff. I got a nice video and it was very cool. Made like a little movie. Everyone was all happy. Very nice. Very nice. Be right there. Dude, if this landscaper comes by my freaking window one more time with that thing, the landscaping outside, I'm gonna throw in a blade at him. It's unbelievable. Unbelievable. Let's see what goes on here. Let's check out this stock. PROS is $7. Let's check it out. Let's see what they do. The stock called Pros. Someone let me know about. So we had the impersonator come in the room, guys. Beware, there's an impersonator of Mojo coming in the room. He's been here before. He knows how Mojo operates and he speaks to you in the direct messages. Beware, dudes. There's an imposter in the room making believe he's me, asking you for all kinds of shit. And if you're having a conversation carrying on more than 4 words with Pro Trader Mike without verifying it's me, you're silly stupid because you're getting scammed by people that are impersonating me. Make sure you communicate only with 9750 and that's it. And you don't have to worry about it. Otherwise, you may lose $5,000 or $10,000 by sending someone money that's impersonating me. And I have nothing to do with it and I can't help you. And I do feel sorry if you get burned because it's on my apparatus. But dude, you can't help that. So I'm sorry. You better beware. I've warned you every day. I've changed my avatar every single day, twice a day. Here's the trade I started out this morning with $250 on BNTX, all the way at $54. Heinzing 55. I wanted to get out at 56. There's no way it went there. I made $250. This is the curve right here. You guys don't know this on the influenza epidemic in 1918 that lasted a year. This is the initial spike like we see right now in Corona. And we made the curve and we're coming down. Look how long it stayed down for. But then all of a sudden, look what happened. How it spiked up. They're talking we may get that with an influenza Corona epidemic. And at that time, I don't know if you're aware of this. It's not COVID-19. It's COVID-20. Did you know that? COVID-20. It's going to be called COVID-20. COVID-20, a psychological crisis. I'm neither a fearmonger or a conspiracy theorist, but I'm quite the optimist, yet I predict a second wave of corona. COVID-20, if you like it. Okay? Move to sound the alarm. Trauma is a complicating factor, especially if the crisis continues to drag on with no end in sight. Dealing with protracted traumatic stress paired with a sense of uncertainty about the virus, jobs, schools, and life, and what the new norm may look like as well, buying into the worst case narrative predicted by the media, politicians, and experts could cast a heavy shadow on the long-term outcome. Trauma forces people into narrow corners of regression and dysfunction. Some may shut down while others lash out. However, trauma is a communal affair, and we can and should go through it together, leaning on one another for support, then judgment, hostility, and othering. As healers, we can normalize feelings and channel unhealthy coping, called COVID-20. Bet you didn't know that. Bet you didn't know that. Let's check out what this stock pros is called. PROS. ProSite Global. What do? They have traded only 26,000 shares. It's no volume. It's light. Can't trade the stock. But what do? They, together with its subsidiaries, operates as an entrepreneurial insurance company, underwrites auto, general, workers' comp. See, there you go. Workers' comp, man. It's probably pretty big. Keep an eye on this site, ProSite Global. Keep an eye on that. Oh, yeah, it used to be up here at $20 a share. So, yeah, it could rebound real nice. We'll keep an eye on that. Someone just told me about that. Keep an eye on that, peeps. Keep an eye on that one, peeps. So, yeah, these are the deaths, and as bad stuff happen. Bad stuff going on. So, we played Snap Attack. Everybody made really good money today. I'm happy. Starting with $3,000, made that money. Everyone's good. What else we got? So, guys, don't stray from the well, dude. Snap, BNTX, and like Peck and one other trade. That's it, man. Nice job on AAL with the Heinz at 10. It's 10.20 now. It's moving. It may even go up more. It's really nice bottom. Look what my guy got on American Airlines, dude. Bought it right here on the bottom with a 1, 2, 3. That's a 1 right there on the red. Another scaling, and he bought the first green right there. And now look at that thing. If this thing crests this, guys, which is 10.23 now, forget it's going to get a big, nice move. Nice call in the MOJO room on a solid-ass stock, dude. There's 10.18. You got a good one, dudes. Nice. Good work. See, we trade quality all day long in the MOJO room. You got a problem, newbie? Hey, how you doing? You in the USA? Great. Good job. Good job, dude. Not God job. Good job, dude. Good job, dude. Here. Watch, let's see here. I'll give you this. Watch my MOJO challenge. I can trade with you and get you some capital to trade. 10.19 now. 10.19, guys. 10.19. Here's 10.20. Nice work on AAL. Solid as Sonam goes even lower. Love that. As I'm not in Sonam. Love it. Good trading. Come to Papa at 10. Catch a falling knife. You sure did. It wasn't really a falling knife. It kind of like fell on the floor and rattled around and you like heard it, so you picked it up. It wasn't really a falling knife, but you did good, dude. You heard the rattle down there on the bottom when it dropped. There's 1020. Nice work. You got on the open. You made 180 bucks, dude. You're kicking ass, Sodman, since you joined the team. All right, we're at 20. We're at 20. Here's 2021 right now. It's going to dip back down. So if you want to sell here and rebuy back at 17, you can. It's going to dip up and then dip back down, guys. That's what they do. So FYI, you may go 20, 21, 22 flash, and then dip back down a little under 19 where it is now, and then firm back up. Absolutely. You like the big fonts on my screen? You can see what's going on there. 2021, here it goes. I told you. Going to go 21, 22 flash, and then head back down to 19, 18. Watch. I know exactly how it works. There it is, 20, 21, 22. Watch, now it's there. It's going to flash back down. Watch. Told you. Watch. 22, 21. Told you. 21, 20. Watch. 21, 20. I told you, to the penny, right? Watch, it's going to go lower. Come on. Nope, it went 20. It'll go 21, 20. There it is, 21, 22, 20. Told you, 19, 18. Now rebuy back at 17. I told you. How smart do I know the stock market? I don't need to look at VWAP. I don't need to look at charts. Anything. That level 2, I know exactly how it works. Exactly. Did you see that, guys? To the penny. To the penny. To the penny. You know, for me. Told you, got that baby rack up right to 21, 22. No comments on that in the Mojo room? Absolutely none. You're completely silent. I could turn the mic off in a second. Not a problem. Don't have to communicate with you guys at all. I hate talking to myself. I really do. Really, really do. Great. I'm glad you're here, JV. Nice. Good comment. I appreciate, JV, that you were able to express that comment about. I'm glad. Not like Sodman and I'm glad, JV. You're real frustrated. Yesterday you fucked up. You were real frustrated. I haven't got any tracking reports. Haven't heard from you. Haven't done anything. Unless you start communicating with me and getting on the ball and stop being a chicken and playing what I do and being with me in the game exactly like we're buddies, you ain't gonna make it, dude. I'm sorry to tell you that. I'm trying really hard with you, JV. Really hard. I've called and asked you to come over to hang out at my house 8 times. You haven't showed up once. I'm not coming to your house to hang out. You've got to come to my house. And if you don't, you're going to fail. Yeah, well, you appreciate it, but you don't do it. There's appreciation and non-action. And you got the non-action with the appreciation. So unless I start to see some tracking sheets and what you got going on with your trades and getting more intricate into your game, you're not going to make it. And I'm getting more and more students that are taking advantage of that, so your slot time is getting less and less, if you could see that. Nothing I want better than for you to make it, but I'm not going to chase you down every day. And this is the last time I'm telling you. Great. With you 100%. Send me the tracking sheets. Send me your sheets when you do them. Yeah, you want me to do a trade review, Marsh? What number are you? Alrighty. We don't need the date because it's all from today, and we don't need the filled because you're all filled. And we don't need to use it because we know who you are, Demo 78. Okay, Demo 78, you ready? Here we go. Let's see how you traded today. At 9:22, you bought in the pre-market at 307, SAEX, and you sold it at 312. You bought at 320, 317, 317, 316, and you sold it at 299. There you go. There you go. Not a Heinz. Shitty 2-cent sell. You let it go down 20 cents. You sold it up 2 cents. Shitty ass trade. Fold. Wait to Heinz. Wait to Heinz. Heinz only, baby. You don't have 197 print right here. The only one is your sell at 99. This is an F. Next. NTGN. You bought at 95. And where'd you sell it? And you sold it at 290 right here. Hold on. You bought it at 95. I saw it. And you sold it at 90. So, whatever. Shitty trade. SAEX, you went at it again and lost again. There's your NTGN buy at 295. There's your SAEX selling it. You're buying it again at 85, sold it for 2 cents. So you're marrying it down for 10 and it goes up 2 and you sell it. That ain't working for you. This stock right here at 287, this is the one that in the beginning of the day that they're buying huge blocks on. Huge blocks on. INO right here, you did a Heinz, but you sold it too quick. That was your first good one. You sold it too quick, only for 2 cents. You're not making any money. You bought SAEX again, another mistake. Now you're moving into BNTX, better trading. Buying for a Heinz 49, selling for a 49. Good job. SAEX again. BNTX buying at 58, selling at 57 and 55. Why? It just went, you bought it again at 74. You bought more at 48 through the Heinz, and then you sold it back under 48, 50 cents lower. That's a D+. That's just bad trading, dude. You're greedy right there, dude. Greedy. Why would you buy at 48? We sell there, dude. That's what your sells. Look, 48.74, selling 18, rebuying it back at 71. You're greedy, dude. I see it right there. You're greedy. Snap, 95, 95, 95. You didn't even say you sold it at 99 and 98. That's no positive expectancy. You should be ashamed of yourself. Oh, thank gosh you sold some through 1603. It's only a D instead of a D+. At least you sold some at 1603 and made a little bit. Good job. Then you bought BNTX at 1119, boom, boom, and you sold it again. This was a Heinz, dude. This is where you sell 11 and 19 and 9 from 47.81. Keep on getting stopped out at stopping station and it goes right back up. So you got stopped out at 81, it went right back, you chased it back up through Hines and you sold it again. This was the buy, this was the sell, this was the buy, that was the sell. You're off mark on every one. You're buying, you should be selling. When you're selling, you should be buying. I don't know what you're doing. This is not a Hines at 60. This is not a Hines here. And you keep on chasing it and getting stopped. I did the same thing earlier though, but that's the one I turned it around. Let's see if you can turn it around. 90. You bought it at 50 at 49, 50 at 48, 49, and you sold it for a 10-cent loss. Then you bought it again at 49 and sold it for a 10-cent loss. Then you bought it again at 48, 94, and 49, and you sold it even. I don't know what the hell's going on. And then you did Snap again at 89.95 and sold it at 85. And it's at 16.28. So this bad trading, man. Try it another day. Poof. Do some Hines, man. Let me see some 97s. Slow it down a little bit, man. Slow it down. Slow it down. What else? That's it. Just 78. Today. That makes it easy for me. One demo review. I have all these traders I'm looking to help. So many. One person wants me to help them. It's fine with me. You doing demo 48? I'll see you, Rocky. Let's see how you did. Demo 48 made $79. See what you did. You think I'm going to hold your hand and kiss your freaking ass while I'm doing these trade reviews? Guys, you're out of your mind. If the trade reviews are too tough for you and you can't handle the way I critique and go through your trades and try to help you, it's not for you. It's not for everyone. I have a lot of people that don't like what I do here. That I treat the new traders like shit. Okay? If you think I'm doing that, then don't join the team. Don't need it. You bought SAEX, same at 309 and 3012. You sold it at 322. Nice, not greed. Good trade right on the open. You banged it out. I'll give that an A. Not an A+, but an A. Good job. Nice trade. New trader following the MOJO rules. Then you bought it again and sold it real quick because it didn't work. You bought it again and sold it through Hines. That's another A, dude. Quick reprice, rebuy back up through Hines. You bought the NTG and didn't make nothing on that. Sold it for a tiny little loss. I give you a B+ on that. Very nice trade and good control. INO at 11.05. Let's see what you did on that. But here's BNTX at 49, 49.90. You bought more down here for the bump like I did, and you sold it back at 49.51. Good job, dude. That deserves an A. Because you're listening. Then you bought SAEX again at 68 when I did and sold it at 76. Good job. INO it. Sold it at 64 from down there. BNTX again, 47. You bought it up high. You waited, and then you sold it for a big loss, like I did. But then you went back in at 45.69 and you made a point back, like I did. Great trading. Great following. Then you bought the PEC like I did. And you sold the PEC from 565 to 685, and you started doing it up to 634. Great trading on PEC. And then you did USO. You bought it at 52 and 53. It's too small of a stock. But you did, and you sold it for 6 cents. Good job. You're a good listening, good trader. Solid A day. I'd love to see your tracking sheet. put in your book, and you'll build a nice little book of tracking sheets, and you'll have a nice business. That is a good business. Good job. Excellent. Nice. Nice, Rocky boy. Nice work, dude. Good work. Do it again. I want to see your tracking sheet. I want to see your tracking sheet. Fill it out. Send it to me. I want to see it. Ethan can trade. Oh, hi. Good job, dude. Oh, here's another one. Oh, no, it says, okay. I don't know any other trader mentor that makes himself more accessible than Pro Trader Mike. Take advantage, team. Pick his brain, send him reviews, be active. It's been proven time and time again that the most active traders in the Mojo room are also the most profitable. Michael Jordan invites you over to his house to watch basketball and go over some of his old highlights. You don't put him on the back burner. You slide through with a bottle of whiskey or a fresh pie, a pen and a pad, and you take notes. Take advantage, embrace your mistakes, screw being embarrassed, and let Mike show you how to capitalize on your capital. This is the way. Thank you, buddy. Appreciate that, Bubba. Appreciate it. How do you share your what? Demo 54? Lost 1,000. You started trading at 8 o'clock this morning. Yeah, a little early. I mean, give it a rest. See how much just how you started out in the pre-market. So you started at 8 o'clock this morning with the SPY at 277.66 is not a Heinz. 276.40, you sold it for a loss. Exactly. You tried it again at 276.34 is not a Heinz. You sold it for a loss again. If you don't do Heinz and you don't print 97, I'm not going to let you trade anymore on the system. Why? So you can keep on losing money, and then in a week you're gone. You have no money left in your account. You go live, you're done in 3 days. Why? Because you're not used to doing Heinz on the day. You're all over the place. Okay? You're short selling. We don't short sell. If I see a short sell go into the demo, you're closed. You know what's going to happen when you short sell? The stock is going to halt and open up at 19. You're short at 3. You're going to lose your whole account and owe the firm a lot of money. Have you ever been wrong on a trade, and instead of, let's say you put $3,000 in a trade, you lose $20,000 on it. You owe the firm $17,000 because you shorted. Well, that's unheard of, dude. Why would you even go and risk that? Where if you bought the stock long and you were wrong and it never opened up and traded, you would lose $3,000. But the other way around, if you shorted, it's unlimited. Let's say the stock opened up at 100. They hit oil and diamonds flew out of the fucking well. And it halted and opened up at 100. And you shorted it at 3. You owe the firm $97,000. So go ahead and try to short again in the Mojo room. Snap, you sold at $14.87 and you bought it at $92. You have no positive expectancy for Heinz. That stock went right to $15. Snap, you sold it at $15.95. You had it down here. Selling at 98, no positive expectancy. No positive expectancy. Stock went to 16 and change. BNTX, not a Heinz. I don't see any 90s. I see a sell at 97. I see a sell at 95, a sell at 95. These need to be the buys. All of those went higher. BNTX buy at 95 went a lot higher. Then you're up here, BNTX. You're buying at 51, stopping station. Good job. And you're selling at 75. Good trade. That's a stopping station, 51 on the number. Good job. And then you sold the rest at 52.19. And then you short sold again. Piece of crap. Short sold the piece of crap. Myrna, you listened to me on Myrna through Heinz 49. You sold at 50.05. Great job because you listened to me. So every Heinz you're doing great. Everything else you're doing shitty on. Let's see. AAL, you bought it. You sold it at 10.20. And you sold it at 10.20, and you bought it at 10.21. If you would have bought the 1,000 when I told you with Batman at $10, you would have made $200. So there you go. And right now it's 10.26 by 10.27, exactly where I told you it would go. So you got some work to do. Stick to Heinz. Everything else is for fun, and you'll lose. And it looks like you're having a lot of fun and losing. Not good. No, we'll do it another day. Send me a tracking sheet, JV, and I'll give you a trade review. How about that? Can you ever send me a tracking sheet and show me your trades? Is it possible? Demo 45 trade review. You lost $104. Let's see what you did. You, first trade of the day, at 9:30 bought SAEX. You got the lowest cost, bro, at 302. Everyone else got 306. Look at you. Oh, look at you. You got filled at 302 and you sold it at 310 and 311. Hey, you fought just like the other person. Good start, dude. You bought the NTGM, but you didn't make money on that like the other people. You only had 100 shares. No harm, no foul. The old you would have had 1,000. You would have lost $100. You only lost 10. Great job. SAEX, you're in at 82 and you sold at 87 for a nickel and you sold the rest on the way down. Should have been over 82 or even, but you got 81, which is fine. SAEX, you're in again at 92. You took a beating on it, but then you got back in and took another beating on it. And then you took another beating on it. And then BNTX, you finally got off of that with me. BNTX at 49.28, you sold it for 2 cents. Then you got into SAEX really quick again and made a quick 2 cents. Then you bought it again at 70 and bought it again at 59 and sold it all at 57 and short sold it by mistake and bought it back at 60. I should put a rule in nothing under $5 in the TradeX. See, TradeX platform is not meant to trade $3 stocks. It's meant to trade 1,000 shares of Snap, 500 shares of BNTX. It's using the buying power that you wouldn't normally have. So, a lot of SAEX, man, and a bad chase up on American Airlines. You got lucky, though. 10.28 on American Airlines now. Told you that was going to be a good one. And that's your trade review, dude. You got to clean it up. You've been here longer than everybody else, JV. There's no excuse for it, bro. No excuse. Yeah, work on the tracking sheet. I'm not going to bear with you. No. Then don't ask me for a trade review. If can't do the sheet. I ain't going to take it easy. I'll bear with you. I'll bear with you. Done. No, I'm not doing no more. No more today. Tomorrow. Good trade on AAL. Nice work. I have to get yelled up to end up like Gerardo and Allen. I'll take it. But I'm not really yelling at you. That's not nice. If you think that's what I'm doing, is that really what I'm doing? Am I yelling at you? Because you haven't seen me yell, dude. You haven't seen me yell. Am I really yelling? Yelling would be more like this. Let me show you. You goddamn moron! If you do one more trade like that, I'm never letting you in my room again because you don't listen to me. And if you don't listen to me, you're done. You're off the freaking team and I don't want you, like you, or need you. Do I do that, dude? That's yelling. I don't do that at all, dude. And for you to say that I'm yelling is kind of like the guy the other day that said, geez. Show me some freaking respect, man. Or you're going to pay for the trade reviews $200 each. Because after 5 trade reviews and $1,000 you spend, maybe you'll really pay attention. But I give it to you for free. So I'm not yelling, and I never have yelled before. Coaching. There you go. There you go. Appreciate it. Really do. Really do. You think it's easy doing what I do, guys? Try it. Try opening a chat room. Giving people stock picks to make money. Do you know how long you're going to last trying to do that? All you guys out there that think it's so easy? A week. You're as good as your last pick. I've been doing this for 8 years. You're as good as your last pick. Josh from Alpha Trading, keep on copying my shit. I blocked you on Facebook. I blocked you on Twitter. You ain't copying my shit no more. Screw you and your freaking even number trades, dude. With your freaking 200 people on Twitter. Copying my shit every day left and right. Screw you, Josh. You're blocked. Yeah, tomorrow. Yeah, thank you so much, Joyce. Appreciate it. Hopefully tomorrow you'll show me a Heinz like this guy did right here today. Let me see. Want to see a good tracking sheet today? Want to see a good one? Where's the good one? Someone sent me a really nice one today. All Heinz. Heinz across the board. 4 out of 5 picks. Really nice. Really nice. Trying to find the email. I complimented him. Said, just keep it up. Do it really nice. Oh, here it is. This guy, TJ. He just keeps it up, man. Every day, dude. Every day. He just keeps it up. Keeps it up. Here's his tracking sheet. Right here. Not many trades. He's just Heinz focused and oriented. Heinz focused and oriented. And right here, he's got a Heinz trade. He's got a Heinz trade. He's printing at 97, 98. 20, 98, 97, 97, and 80. Okay? The one he printed at 80 is the only one he lost on. Every other one he went and he Heinz the crap out of it and he makes $150, $200 every day and loses a tiny little bit. That's the system. Everything else is garbage, man. He don't put nothing but 97s on his sheet. He doesn't buy unless the stock's 97. He wins every time, every day. His life is easy. Easy. Easy, easy, easy. Best money day of the year, really. Wow, it's a good day. You must have had a tremendous day. And the weeds weren't even cranking, dude. It's freaking amazing.
Holy sweet.
Wasn't even cranking them weeds, dude. And you freaking made all that? And wow, no weed in the bowl. I can't believe it. What was the big win? What was the big win? Love it. Absolutely. Made it on GNPX and SAEX. Nice. Rocky, sorry, Mike. Can you show me what if? Absolutely, bro. Thank you for asking, Rocky. Let me hook you up right here immediately, my man. There you go. Done. There's an instructional video. Rocky, there's an instructional video in MOJO University on how to use the tracking sheet. Do you guys have that? Do you have that? What happened out there on YouTube? You guys making monies? I love it. Joey, what has happened? Mike, you're such a good boy. Mom loved it. Yeah, dude, I met with my mom. She loved that. She was so happy. You got in on the open. What does this say? Sodman for $100, 11.7. Nice. Let's go, Mom. Oh, dude, I'm sorry. I lost my dad 12 years ago. Dude. Wish he was still around. But he's not here to see this world devastation. Wish he was. I love it when people are happy. Thanks, Sodman. I teach that in MOJO, the level 2, of course. It's everything I teach. We don't know what a chart is. Charts are for swing trading. Why 9 out of 10 traders fail, Dave? You know why? Because everyone teaches charts, and charts are for things that happen after the fact. You hold it, the chart makes a move, you had to be in it before, you had to know what goes on. It's for overnights, it's for swings, it's not for being in and out in 5 minutes. What's a chart going to tell you? Nothing. Nothing. Nice moves, dude. You'll have to look, I'll give you the video. You want the video? Who doesn't have the video on how the TradeX works? I mean, on how the tracking sheet works. There's the video, and here's the tracking sheet. Right here. So here's the tracking sheet, guys. It's in MOJO U. There's the sheet right there, and here's the video. Hold on, I gave you the wrong link. Right here is the video. It's from my show the other day.
Handwrite it in first of all. Handwrite. Day trading log. Today's date is 4/20. And I expect all the other gurus, Ross,
Copy my shit. Like you freaking do.
Alpha Trading,
Bastard.
Trading,
He already copied it, you bastard.
Patrick.
Bastard. Alright, there it is right there for you. Enjoy. INO's doing good. Let's see how my swings are doing today. Damn, swing picks rocked last month. Rocked last month. Alright, guys, on today, which is Wednesday, April 22nd, we're up 462 points on the Dow at 23,480. Absurd. S&P's at 2803 at Heinz. We're up 66 points. Heinz 2800. The Dow Heinz 23,000. And the Nasdaq Heinz 8,500. Amazing, right? Amazing. Amazing. Krone, up big. Let's see what we got. Krone, 525. We own it at 592. We own it at 25. Everything's up, everything's up, everything's up the whole way down. We got CGC at 1380s 15, Zing at 645, 746. Glue is up big from 625 to 8 now. FSS still the same. American Airlines is at 10. We got the $12 strike for $1. Glad we sold that, dudes. Mojo's the king with the covered calls. We got the Clorox. What is that at? 192 today. Service Master, we're even on. Tilray, we're up 22%. And General Electric is 640. We have the $7 covered call for 50 cents. So we're even on it right now. NXTD, high 40 today. It's at 39. My Little Pony, the same. Zion Gas, down 2 cents. Office Depot, 182, high 183. My Size, 266, high 305. We sold at 305. Delete. My Size, right down here. MYSE, $1.55 to 305. 96%. And we sold Nanovicerides at 805. Nanovicera and Aid Groupon is 96 now on Groupon. It's been to 99. It's going to go through $1 today. ADMP is even on now at 00. Loving it. This one may go now. Adamus Pharmaceuticals. And Nebriva down 3 cents. Bitcoin down 30 cents. Kick Technologies, Kelso up a penny. WPRT even. We had Sino Global Shippers in the shipper from yesterday. Did amazing. The shipper right down here. Sino Global Shipping went from 45 to 65. It's back down at 40 where we originally bought it, but went up 62% yesterday, and it went higher than that. That's Sino Global Shipping. We also have Eagle Bulk Shipping. Never freaking rocketed like the other ones did. DSKE. We have the truckers right here. USA Truck and USS Express finally coming back to green. Loving that. These may make its run tomorrow. Beware, everyone. Don't be surprised if I say tomorrow the truckers are up 20%. Zella, Job, and INPX, and the other ones are right here. Good job, everybody. And that's what we did. Some of the closed ones. I can't believe JDST is at $1.20. This MTLS we sold at 19 is still the same. ONVO from 41s to 33. This one's a little higher. 305. This one's in half. This one's from 73 went to 80. This one's about the same. This one's cut in half. This one's up a little bit. This one's lower. This one's up $4. That's box. Nice, nice, nice. Like the swing, man. Like the swing. Snap, new high of the day, 1649 on Snap. Hasn't stopped going all day. They mentioned it all over the news. I have it written down right here. It's my stock of the day. You don't got to go far from the well, guys. How'd that else? I have it right down here on the bottom of my sheet. BNTX, LCTX, LETE, SLAC, INO, FRO, and MNRA. BNTX 53 Heinz and right here took a big drop just now. See it? Big drop. It went from 55 to 53. 2-point drop right there, guys. Probably go a little bit lower. Let's maybe go into some UVXY for a 53. I like it here. Very low risk, very high reward. So right here, you have a circle of risk right here on UVXY. This is where we buy it. Taking it. For 53 Heinz, guys, right here. So your stop is right here. You're buying it right here in a little V. And we're going to send it up here to 53.70 into 54. It's a beautiful point. So you got risk 05 and a reprice. And the reward is $1. That's a 20-to-1 risk reward. Nice mini Heinz on Snap. I think it's over right now. I think that mini Heinz was the end of Snap for the day. Just for the day. What about Peck? We traded Peck earlier. Peck may be pecking down here. Another one that has a low risk and a high reward on Peck right here, guys, at 550. Same exact scenario. Peck. Some good ones here. Peck right off the bottom right there. Got a nice firm up bar. Add that baby. Peck at 550. See that? That's another beauty. And the UVXY for the 53. Another beauty. Another beauty. Going to be winners all over the place right now in the afternoon. Take that exam. Absolutely. You get my Mojo University course for free when you join, Dave. Everything about level 2 is covered in the beginning of the course. Nice day, Rento. Good job. Let's see who's in the room. Honcho, Hernandez, Gene, Papoose, Olson, Nantucket, Ron, Ruby, Slate, Summit, Saldo, TJ, Tugga, Ethan can trade, DJ, G-Dub. See these people? I speak. Look, they never answer me. Look. Hi, welcome to my room. Are you a trader? Yes or no? He never answers. They all don't do that. Look, I got an update ready for the room. Update ready for the Mojo room. Walt. Oh, there's Pro Trader Skogs. Came back. Boom. Unblock. Rolls and friend. Change nickname. Pro Trader Skog. Wally Boy. Been with me for 7 years. This guy Wally Boy right here. 7 years. The Mojo team. Alright, cool. Let's stop this. Disconnect. Mute. Let's do a update. Let's see what's updating. Installing update number 1. Checking for updates. Hold tight. Loading Discord. Bam. There it is. Beautiful. Updated. I wonder what updated. In the room. Interesting. Nice comeback on American Airlines, dude. It's going to go to 30 now. The AAL. AAL's going to 30 now. Let's see what JB's doing today. I think he put out a new video.
We live in...
Look at that badass. Damn, dude. That's a big flip. Phew. Look at the size of this flip. Look at this. Everyone watching over there on the side. Damn, he's freaking sick. Damn, dude. Oh, he broke the board. Ooh, he hurt himself there. Ooh, he hit his face. I love watching that stuff. Thanks, Dave. I'm glad you love my videos. I like making them too. I ain't like Mier streaming all day and then throwing out a 2-minute one on a great trade, dude. He does that every day. It's sickening. Got it today. Sickening. Right here. Mier uploaded the video right here. This one. I get these every day from him. Right here. It's amazing. He trades all morning, like inserts a couple and just takes it out. He's such a demo trader. I don't think he trades for real. I've really proved it, man, over the last 6 months. Really copying his videos. What he says one video and he doesn't do it the next video, and he goes back against it 2 videos later. He's really something else, but who gives a shit? BNTX firming up here, 51.30, 51.2. INO. Dude, we had BNTX at freaking down here, dude, in the 40s this morning. We bought the open right here on this open. I should have freaking held it. I had like 500 shares here at 47. Would have made like $4 grand on it. I made $700. You can't say that in trading. You can always do that. You always remember those ones. Oh, look how I could have made. But what about Sonam and the ones that you didn't do that would have wiped you out like that? Right? Right? UV 96. 96 on UV. 96. Love my team. Love my team. Peck ain't doing nothing. Nothing's doing nothing right now, guys. Nothing's doing nothing. You know when nothing's doing nothing? It's sweet as cherry pie. Come on, UV. 90. You remember a couple of weeks ago, UV was jumping dollars like it was like, whoop, there it goes. Look, 50. It would go 53 to 54, then back down to 53, then up and down like so damn fast. Crazy. Remember that? Here it goes. 96, guys. I hope you're in. Have a nice move in the Mojo room. Hope you guys are in on this trade right here. Da-da-da-da-da-dun. Hope you're in on that trade right there. You're going to do this if you ain't. Going to do that if you ain't. My traders are freaking cool as butter, dude. It's us right there. He's looking at the Moj. Moj is like, dude, throw out a Hines. He's like, oh, dude, no problem. There you go. Boom, Mojo just called the Hines. Done, just like that. All right, guys, there's absolutely nothing happening with the stock market at this particular moment. And I don't want to sit here because I already made my money for the day. My team made their goals for the day. We did what we needed to do for the day. So what are we going to do? We can't go play golf. Can't do anything. I got to do nothing for the rest of the day. I hate it. I think I'm going to go jog. Go run around the block. Take my dogs out a little bit. Do something. I'm just bored. Room's bored. No one's chatting. Got 200 people in there. Now I can't get someone to say a word. Not even a word. And it's not even on mute. It's crazy. BNTX 52. Alright guys, let's see how you guys are doing here. We'll end the day. End the day. A couple of pending orders in there. Okay guys. Silence is killing me. So peace. Later. I wasn't connected, but the silence is killing me, guys. Killing me. Killing Mojo. Killing me. Peck is 60 now. 60 on that peck now. You got it, Sodman. See, Sodman did the peck. Through 50. See? Right there. I know, Ed, there's nobody in the room. Isn't it amazing? The silence freaking kills me. Isn't it unbelievable that nobody talks? I'm not on the mic all day, and when I am, nobody even talks. Nobody. Isn't it amazing? Bought at 542, sold at 51, remainder at 56. Good job, Sodman. It's amazing, Ed. I can't believe it. The other rooms aren't like that. Like Ross's room and all the other rooms, they freaking zing chat like crazy all day. Everyone's not in my room, dude. It's amazing. Yeah, but you gotta listen to the video. Everyone else could listen, Wash, but they can't talk to me. You can actually like chat with me and get conversation back and forth while you're watching the show and I'm doing the Mojo room. No one else can do that. You can, but you don't. I don't know why. Like Gerardo said, the people that are the most active are the most successful. You're trying to wrap your head. Okay, what don't you understand about the Hines trade play, JB? I'd love to help you before you're done. What don't you want? What can't you wrap your head around Hines? Let me know what your problem is and I'll fix it immediately. What can't you're a chicken that can't wrap your head around the speed. The speed. Okay? Groupon right now, GRPN is $1. Why can't you do that one? I said it 5 minutes ago at 94. I said it's going to Heinz $1. It's going through $1 now. It's been 10 minutes. Weebs is all over. Why couldn't you do that one? Why can't you in 100 UVXY? It hasn't even gone through 53 yet. It's 52.90, still sitting there. Why couldn't you do a UVXY Heinz? Okay, why aren't you in UVXY at 52.90? Peck under 550 with Sodman. I have a lot of Groupon. I have 100,000 shares of Groupon. Want to see? Oh, here's my Groupon. I have MRO too. You sure did. I still have it. How's that for a position of Groupon? I have on 4/6 my trade date. I bought it at 89 cents, $10,000 worth for 11,000 shares. I bought another 10 when it went to 91 on sequencing to a Heinz, and I bought again at 93. Then I bought again 10,000 at 93, and then I bought again 3 days later more as it went to 94, and they printed me 93, and now it's $1.02. And I have MRO at 456. I own it at 416. I have a 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70,000 shares of Groupon. Told you, Rod, to make a lot of money on it with me. Worth the wait. Cha-ching, baby. Cha-ching. So yeah, JV, you could have done any of them. It's not the speed. Show me a tracking sheet. Let me do a trade review. Do some 90s. Weebs is amazing at it. Weebs does the rail grind. 2.35 on the pec with patience. That's how you do it. We can make it work for anybody, guys. Anyone. And the more time I speak and spend with you, I'll help you. And if you think I'm trying to hurt you, or like JV, and he gets all bent out, it's his own fault. All I'm doing is helping JV. And if he's taking it the wrong way, this is not for him. But if he takes it the right way and embraces the help, he may turn the corner and it may click for him. Because that's what happens. It just clicks. And you get it. It happens like that in life with a lot of things, guys. If it was so easy, everyone would do it. Right, JV? He's with me 100%. See that? And I got his back 100%. Bam. Yep. Yep. I'm thinking about taking the demos to 500 shares, guys. What do you think? This way it'll keep you away from the smaller stocks. And we go for the bigger ones. 500 shares, 30 grand. This way you won't be tempted to do 500 shares of a freaking Groupon or a little stock because you won't make nothing. What do you think about that? 500 shares in the demo make you do bigger ones. All right. I'll keep you at 1,000. After. Dude, everyone goes for the small ones. When you can buy a lot of shares, you're like, oh, I'll buy a lot of shares of the small one. It doesn't move. It doesn't really work. AAL may pop to the next move right now and go 30, 40 right now. It really may. Look at my Groupon, dude. I'm so happy. Look at Groupon. $1.02. Going a lot higher on Groupon. What are you guys doing in that demo? What do you got? You got BNTX 75. Sell it and reprice. Go. Everyone else. And NTGN ain't moving. Close it. Go. USO ain't going. Go. Alright, everyone else is fine. These are the traders right here. All the demos that are trading right now. Yeah, alright. Show me you'll improve. I'd like to see it. Otherwise, we gotta put the governor on. You know what I'm saying? Gotta slow down that golf cart a little bit. Put the governor on. Know what I'm saying? CMCSA 3591. Right here, Comcast for a Heinz 36. Low risk, high reward on Comcast trade right here. CMCSA. Very low risk. We're all playing in one direction only, no risk, and a reward up to 36. Snap's still going, 1650, yeah, right at the high, still hanging up there. So I like CMCSA for a sequence one way only, up, that's it. Beautiful trade right there happening. That's Comcast, CMCSA. Right there, 35.90. 35.91. $35.93. Oh, I think we got a nice one here, boys. I think we got a really nice one. Oh, everyone on YouTube's dead. Oh, there we go. Yeah, everyone on YouTube is dead. All right. You guys died out there on my tuber. Tuber Ruber's dead. What do you need, Rocky? I can't see the room and I can only hear. Restart your computer. Ay, ay, ay. Hey, Raphael, what's up? Hey, Partridge, Nantucket, what's up? MD. Look at my Groupon. I think it's going to go 104, 105 right now. For the end of the day right here. 104, 105. That'd be nice. Took 3 days to get here, dude. 3 days. Knew it would be good. Kept on buying it and buying it. Knew it, knew it, knew it. Ooh, I'm approaching my transfer limit on my videos. When's the golf courses going to open up? Sure. Patrick, buying calls and taking profit. I got a video from Patrick. Oh, he doesn't look drunk today. He looks clean and sober. Look, remember the other day? Look, he looks very clean and sober. He's like, he was so drunk the other day. Remember that video? He was like, oh, I got beer. 92 on CMCSA. That has a chance. Peck is 56. This shit is just sitting there. Ain't doing crap, nothing. Bastards. Bastards. VSTM, steady ready, Nantucket. You didn't tell me about that one. Veristream, 448. Just made a pop through mini, bro. Nantucket. That's Mini Ginny. That's Mini Ginny. On the last level of Mojo U. Nice. Need Mike's coaching. Yes. Done. 449. Nice pick on VSTM. I gotta get some gum. Nice, I like that VSTM, but I like Groupon better actually, Nantucket. Just because I have so many shares. Yeah. Ricky uploaded the victory video. What did Ricky's doing today? Ricky's stock market plummeting. Is crude oil going to make the stock market crash? No. It's not. No. Undecided corona action is going to make the market crash again. Trump's trying to keep it all under control. A lot of meetings every day. A lot of coming out and telling everybody what to do. I think we go 102 now. 102 easy. Nice Hines on UV. Touches 11. We're going to 19. Be patient, please. Be patient, please. 12. Oh, nice, Weebs. Nice. JV, are you in with me, bro? Please tell me you did that. No chicken, and you had plenty of time. Tell me you're in with me, the JV, and the me, and the Mar, and the Weebs, and Alan, and Karen Call, and all the tell you're in. Hey, tell me you're in, man. Tell me. Give me that love. Tell me you're in. Demos are, look. Is this you, Demo 47? Demo 48 at 52.97? Is that you? This guy got it up too high, but look at you. 52.97, champ. If you give CMCA one more penny lower without selling it, you guys are freaking done. Okay? Just letting you know. Don't let that thing go to 82. That's all. $33 on the AAL right now. Amazing. Amazing. Let me see how many shares I got of that. I have 4,000 AAL. 4,000. I love gum. $34 on AAL. You don't got to go far from the well. We're in AAL, Snap, PEC, Groupon, BNTX. Just what's on my screen, guys. Very small little caliber group of power. I'm always long. And if the market's selling off, I'll be long UVXY like I am now. BNTX, better not ride that thing low of 53.91. How much you gonna ride that low? Or would you be up? You wouldn't be selling it, dude, up one. Come on, 54. You had to sell, have 100 now, reprice 200 and back buy 200 up there. You ain't gonna make money on that. Look at that, terrible trading. 54. Better pray. Right now. Comcast holding up. Nice. Thank you for getting out of that BNTX. Here's AAL 35. Here we go. 36, 37, right to 40. I would expect the next half hour not to stop at all on AAL. It's a 95.99 rail grind. It's 96 rail grind. It's going to take a lot to send that thing back down under a 96 rail grind. I switched to the 5-minute chart right now and go right here to the 5-minute and continue the rail grind at 83 on the way up. Super, super strong. Definitely will not come back down. And there it goes, 36, 37. It's a shame that Demo 71 and 72 are just buying it right now. Isn't it? And I've been talking about it on the Mojo show for over an hour. Isn't it unbelievable? It becomes fear of missing out when right now it should be fear of losing account. Don't you think so, Demo 54? I just close you right now just because I don't like to see a print up here at 36. Okay? And at 35. Comcast is good. UV's good. But the other one, you got to sell that UV up there. Don't let that thing come. How can you let that UV come down? How can you let that UV come down? Done. Distracted. Yeah, I shouldn't trade distracted. I am able to trade and stream on 7 social media channels. Copy and paste, make pics, my chat room and social media, and my 3 other accounts on that screen and 2 on that screen, and I never complain, dude. It's just an excuse. Just an excuse. I don't make excuses. What I say is, damn, Mojo. That's what I say in everything. In everything. Everything. I'm 132 yards out, 135. That's my pitching wedge, dude. I don't hit that thing within 10 feet. I'm like, damn, Mojo. I miss a putt that I should make. I'm like, damn, Mojo. That's what I do. I don't say, oh, I was distracted. I was totally into it, 100 freaking %, but I didn't make the freaking shot. And I'm like, damn, Mojo. But that's only 1 out of the 10. The other 9 shots, I'm like this. Be the right club today. Yes. That's what I'm like on 9 of my shots. The one I'm like, damn, Mojo. I'm never distracted. Always step off. I step back from the ball. But when I'm committed to that trade or that shot, dude, plane could be coming at me. I wouldn't even know. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? It's not about that good trade. 7 days in Utopia. 7 days, baby. Better watch that movie. Everyone has time. Why wouldn't you watch the movie? It's homework assignment number 1 in Mojo University. I'm telling you, everyone out there can go watch it for free. It's called 7 Days in Utopia. It's a true story. It's about a professional golfer. Right here. It's called, it is a true story. Yes, 7 Days in Utopia is a 2011 right here Christian sports film directed by Matt Russell starring Robert Duvall, Lucas Black, and Melissa Leo. The film is based on the book Sacred Journey, 7 Days at the Links of Utopia by Dr. David Lamar Cook, a psychologist, right here. And it's on Netflix. It's the trailer right there. This him and his dad right here. And his dad says, nope, don't pull that club. He's like, I want the driver. He's like, no. He wants to pull the iron. His dad's like, no, you're going to hit the driver. He wants the iron. Dad's like, no, hit the driver. He wants to hit the iron. Dad's like, no, you're going to win and hit the freaking shit. And he shanks it. And then he wants to pitch it out into the fairway. And his dad says, no, you're going to stripe it through the tree with a 4-iron. And he listens to him. And he wounds up losing the tournament. And whole shit and caboodle blows up, dude. Find out how important a coach and a mentor is. Having the right coach and mentor. You know how family is toxic. Watch that. Having the right coach and mentor is everything, guys. Watch this movie, 7 Days in Utopia. Watch it. Let me know when you're done what you think. All right, we ain't doing nothing here in the last half an hour. Great movie, right? See, Feel, and Trust. Yeah, absolutely. All right, guys, I'll see you all, I guess, tomorrow. Thanks for watching out there in YouTube land. I'll spend the rest of the day with my team, and see you all on the next show. Later, guys, out there. Peace.